Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have a beautiful grouper here. This is called Su Su Pan. I don't know what is the name of the English here. Any of you can let me know. Type in the comment section below. So I requested, the whole fish is probably like 1.3, 1.4 kg. I requested the seller to split it, butterfly cut for me. So I actually got 2 pieces. So this is half of the piece, just nice for my one family here. I wash it and then make few slits on the fish body, and we put a bit of salt on the fish body and few ginger. Then to make the sauce, I have some light soy sauce, some fried garlic, and this is actually fried ginger. All right, preheat your steamer to 100 degrees Celsius, or the water boiling, yeah. Put in the fish in the middle, and let's steam it for about 10 minutes. Let me quickly show you how to make the sauce. As you all know, Appa steamed fish sauce is always very simple, okay? I have one bowl of filtered water here. You can use, actually I use a bit of hot water. Then few rounds of light soy sauce, premium light soy sauce. Previously I used to add in garlic oil. Today I'm adding ginger oil, yeah, fried ginger oil. And actually more important today is not just the fried ginger oil, but it is the fried ginger where I'm going to put it on top of mix it with a bit of fried garlic and put it on top of the fish later. That is the secret ingredient I'm using today. All right, this is after about 10 minutes. Wow, ooh, the fish already cooked up. Ooh, nicely. Looks really good. I saw a lot of fishy water, the whitish, fishy water. That is the source of fishiness. I'm going to remove all those. Right? Right, I have poured away the fishy water and really quick rinse the fish for a while, yeah? Then next thing we do, going to pour the steamed fish sauce all over the fish. Okay. And let's garnish it with some greens. This is fresh coriander. And this is some fried garlic. And I'll add something new. Fried ginger. Okay, so how I make this fried ginger, very simple, seriously. Just blend, I use a chopper to fine chop the ginger. Then I saute with a lot of oil for about 3 minutes, then it's done using a low heat. Okay, so because we also want the ginger oil, that's why we mix it with a lot of oil here. All right, done. That's how simple it is. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. I discovered this fried ginger through one of my recent experience at a restaurant. I kept on feeling that it is not, they didn't just add fried garlic. They also add something else. So I kept on trying and I found out that it's actually fried ginger.